Hi, this is Melina. Today I'm going to show you three of my top favorite and most popular plants. These are my favorite plants because they're very easy to care for and very colorful. The first one is the Kalanchoe blossfeldiana. These are from Madagascar, and I like these because of their long-lasting blooms. They come in actually white, orange, pink, and also red. And the flowers last between 6 to 8 weeks long. And when they're finished flowering, they actually turn brown. So when they're all brown and dried up, these will either fall off, or you can actually cut the flower stalk all the way down till you can't see the flower stalk, and then it'll bloom again for you. This is great for outdoors and filter light. Water about once a week. They grow to about 12 inches tall to about roughly 6 inches wide. Is ideal for filtered light, not full sun. Indoors would be near a bright, well-ventilated window. If it's inside, you water about every 2 weeks, outdoors about once a week, and it's also cold hardy and frost hardy. This one is another favorite plant. It's known as an Anacampseros, pink sand rose or a wild sand rose. I like this because it relatively stays miniature and it has multiple offsets, and of course the beautiful pink vibrant color and bright purplish pink flowers makes it a very popular succulent and one of my favorite succulents. This is great for in the container with other succulents or by itself. Outdoors, water once a week. Not ideal for indoors, it will turn actually all green for you. So you want to keep this where it gets lots of bright light. The last one is the Haworthia, also known as the zebra plant. I like it because of the nice, beautiful white stripes that makes it the succulent stand out, the multiple offsets. And the last thing I like about this plant is it's very easy to care for. You water about once a week outdoors. It can take full sun, or if you're looking for an indoor succulent, this is also quite versatile. It can be outdoors or indoors. So this is indoors near, it can be near a bright window or where it doesn't get much light, and water about once or twice a month. Thank you for watching.